everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dana. I am back with another Halloween card. To start off this card, I took a piece of black cardstock, and with this stencil from the Cookie Countess, I am ink blending on some Distress Oxide ink in Carved Pumpkin, and I'll do that for the entire background. Then using the Stitched Christmas Sweater die from Spellbinders, I cut out the little pieces and I'm just coloring those with Wicked Elixir mica spray. And then I took just the little pumpkin from the Dancin Ghost die set from Spellbinders, and I'm coloring that with Jack-o'-lantern mica spray. With my liquid glue, I just adhered all the little bits onto the sweater. And then also with the liquid glue, I just adhered my card panel to a black card base. And then at an angle, I adhered the sweater to the card. And I adhered the pumpkin to the little ghost. With this die set, you can kind of move his arm so it looks like he's holding the little treat bucket. And adhered the ghost to the center of the sweater using an action wobbler. If you haven't already, please go ahead and pamper that like button. Show it a little love. I do greatly appreciate it. And here is the final card. I just love how this turned out. The action wobbler just adds so much fun to a Halloween card. And as always, please take some time to pamper your inner goddess, and I will see you in the next one.